Welcome to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to an exciting new AI technology that has the power to transform text into lifelike, expressive voices. The site name is ElevenLabs. Here's the text area where we'll be entering our text. Right above it, you'll find a selection of voice settings and a wide variety of AI voices to choose from. Let's give one of them a try, just like this.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Love is a serious mental disease.
A wise man will make more opportunities than he finds.
If you smile when no one else is around, you really mean it.
I'd rather regret the things that I have done than the things that I have not done.
Never mistake motion for action.
Now let's type a text and hit the generate button. At the bottom of the page, you can easily keep track of your character usage to ensure you stay within the limit.
If you do not sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice.
When our voice is ready, you can download it from the download icon below. Finally, I want to introduce the 6 pricing plans and the pricing FAQ section for your convenience. ElevenLabs is a powerful AI tool designed for content creation, whether you're running a YouTube channel or growing your business. AI represents the future, and in the next segment, I'll demonstrate the incredible voice cloning capabilities of ElevenLabs. Stay tuned.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you soon!